Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today we are doing egg salad sandwiches, and I've got 3 different egg salad recipes to share with you today. It is early spring and I have chives popping up in my garden, little baby chives right now. But this is one of my favorite times of year because it's gardening, the start of gardening season, the start of all of our herbs. I can start moving plants outside, and I love to utilize fresh herbs and fresh veggies from the garden, starting with the chives at the beginning of April. I'm going to start with a plain egg salad, traditional egg salad sandwich, and then I'll share with you a few variations to spice it up just a little bit. I have my hard-boiled eggs already peeled, and my recipe, my full recipe, if I was going to make these all just a plain egg salad, calls for 6 hard-boiled eggs. It's enough to make about 3 sandwiches. I say 2 hard-boiled eggs per sandwich that you are wanting to make. And the basis of these, all of these egg salads sandwiches starts out the same. So what we're gonna do is we are going to kind of dice up our hard-boiled eggs. You wanna keep the yellow inside as well, the yolks. And you can slice these, you can dice these however you want to do it. And we're gonna put them all into a bowl. Spring is one of my favorite times of the year. Actually, it's my favorite season altogether. I just like how everything warms up and gets green outside. It's also a fun season for cooking and baking. I've been doing a lot of baking. We've got some mini lemon drop cakes, some really soft lemon cookies that I've been making lately. I did blueberry vanilla cake mix cookies. I love spring desserts especially. And it's also time for spring salads, like side salads and fresh green salads. So if you're into those, I will link to my side, I think it's salads and side dishes playlist. So you can check all of those out. We did a really healthy carrot apple slaw style salad for Easter, and rainbow macaroni salad. Did a strawberry spinach salad lately. Oh, I love that. Egg salad sandwiches are one of those power protein packed, healthy lunches that you can make. I'm all about easy and trying to sneak in a little bit of the healthy here and there where we can. We happen to have picky kid eaters in our family, so I often find myself trying to sneak in them fruits and vegetables and the protein wherever I can. But this particular egg salad recipe is just for my husband and I because my kids they won't eat it. They're silly. All right, so we have our eggs all diced up in a bowl. I'm going to get a separate bowl to mix our the dressing part in, and we'll blend it together, and then we'll add in extra toppings. All right, so the base egg salad dressing, I guess you call it the creamy part of your egg salad, has mayo and mustard and whipped cream cheese and some garlic powder. And then from here, this is a very versatile recipe. Then you can add in all of your other ingredients that you like to have in with your egg salad. And I am going to start with my mayo. And again, this is for about 6 hard-boiled eggs, so you may want to adjust a little bit here and there. And it calls for about 2 tablespoons of mayo. I am using Hellmann's Light, and I actually like my egg salad sandwiches more creamier and less dry. So I add a little bit more mayo. So it's about 2.5 tablespoons of mayo in, and then mustard. We are going to do about 2 teaspoons. And then for the garlic powder, it's about 1/2 teaspoon. I'm gonna actually, you don't want it too garlicky. I have my full teaspoon here, and so I'm gonna do about 1/2. A lot of times I just skip using the measuring spoons. I've been cooking long enough, making things long enough in the kitchen, I can kind of eyeball it, but garlic, you don't want it to be over garlicky. So measure out the 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then my recipe, I really like it kind of fluffy. I like a nice light fluffy egg salad sandwich. About 1/4 cup of whipped cream cheese. Just a little bit more there. Just adds a little bit extra softness, creaminess to your egg salad. And we're gonna mix this up here. And this is your base egg salad mixture. So take a look at this. Go off your personal preference for how you like your egg salads. Again, we like ours a little bit lighter, fluffier, creamier. I'm gonna add in just a little bit more mayo to mine. Sometimes this depends on your eggs. Farm fresh versus store-bought eggs. Sometimes it's just how hard-boiled your eggs are. When you're using the yolks, all right, now we are going to mix together the dressing with the eggs. And you want to be gentle here. You want to fold gently. You don't want to smash your egg pieces. There we go. I'm gonna grab some salt and pepper. Mix the salt and pepper in just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna grab a smaller bowl, and we are gonna put a little bit in here, enough for about 1 sandwich. Again, I'm making a couple different variations today. We'll start with that much. And I am going to chop up the chives here into little pieces. This is one of my favorite ways to use up chives, along with potato salad, dill potato or chive potatoes. I use a lot of fresh dill too. All right, and then we're gonna mix the chives into the egg salad. I am using some Farmhouse honey white bread. If I know I'm gonna be making fancy sandwiches, I like to get some special bread instead of your just traditional good old cheap wheat bread, white bread. It makes it a little bit more fun. A more adultish style lunch, right? And there we have our egg salad with chive sandwich. Let's move on to the next egg salad variation. This next variation for egg salad, I'm only gonna make enough for half of a sandwich. This is my favorite. I'm the only one in my family who will eat olives, and so I'm gonna do this one just for me. And sometimes I will use green olives and sometimes I use black olives. So it's versatile, use whichever you want to. I am using chopped black olives in mine. We're gonna stir this up. I actually made enough for a whole sandwich, so let's just make a whole sandwich out of it. And so we have our egg salad with olives. And for my last variation, this is my husband's preference. He is very big into spicy foods. And you can see that I have probably 2.5, maybe 3 of the hard-boiled eggs still here in my bowl. And I am going to get some hot sauce. He usually prefers Tabasco. And when I say he likes spicy, he literally will take the Tabasco sauce and the jar of jalapenos to work and keep it at work to put on everything. So I actually don't have the jalapenos with me. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of hot sauce. And then normally I will dice up jalapeno slices and put those right here into the egg salad. When it gets to like end of July into August, when we have the fresh jalapenos growing in the garden, I will go and I will take those straight fresh from the garden. Sometimes we do some slim long red peppers as well. They're like this long and really skinny long red peppers that are a little spicy, got some heat to them. And he really likes that in his egg salad. So his is spicy. And so we have the egg salad sandwich with some heat in it. Here we have it. We have our egg salad sandwiches 3 ways. The first one with chives, fresh from the garden. The second one with olives. And the third one with hot sauce and jalapenos. Thank you all so much for watching today. Hope you love these recipes, and be sure to subscribe, stick around, because we've got plenty more awesome, easy recipes that you can make at home that your family is going to love. We'll see you next time.